Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here from Spotify. This is ticker SPOT. Spotify is in a well-defined uptrend and above all the major moving averages, and all the major moving averages that I have on my chart here are in order. So we like that. That means the trend is strong. And so we want to focus on strong trending stocks when the market is up. And I think that this level right here is pretty important on Spotify, right around that 176 zone. And if I zoom out, you can see why, because that resistance area brings us all the way back to over here in 2022. That was one of the previous breakdown zones where we saw Spotify break down, consolidate, try and get above, unable to get above. And ever since then, this zone has acted as a pretty important resistance area, even back here in July. So what I want to see from Spotify is a breakout through 176 on volume. I want to see it get above that level and hold above that level and do it on higher than average volume. So I'm going to set an alert and listen for it to go off within the next month or so. So that 176 level, I think, is pretty key. You're going to want to see a break, a close, and a move coming on higher than average volume. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and check out what we're up to at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side.